Does Facebook Live keep failing? Let's make your streams rock solid. Are you dropping frames or disconnecting completely? Let me know in the comments below. First, switch to wired Ethernet. Wi-Fi can't handle stable live streams. Low resolution to 720p. Facebook prioritizes stability over quality. Disable other devices on your network, especially those streaming video. Go live through Streamlabs or OBS first. They are more stable than direct mobile streaming. Still failing? Try Facebook Live Producer. As web-based streaming rarely drops. Is the streams smooth now? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.